powerful processor is undoubtedly the star of the show when it comes to this laptop. With its 11th Gen Intel Core i5 11320H processor, this laptop is capable of lightning-fast speeds, reaching up to a maximum speed of 44 GHz. With 4 cores and 8 threads, even when you are running multiple applications at the same time, you can be sure that you won't face any hiccups, and the laptop will continue to run smoothly. In addition, the 8 MB cache ensures that data transfer is quick and efficient. All of these features come together to make this laptop a powerhouse that is perfect for those who need to run demanding applications or make the most of their time with multiple tasks running at once. If you are someone who needs a laptop that can keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle, then the powerful processor of this laptop is sure not to disappoint. Moving on to the next section, the display of this laptop is nothing short of stunning. Not only does its 15.6 IPS screen boast 2K resolution, but it also features anti-glare technology to reduce eye strain and allow for comfortable viewing for extended periods of time. Additionally, the 16:10 aspect ratio, 100% sRGB, 90Hz refresh rate, 200 to 41 ppi, and 1500 contrast ratio all contribute to an excellent visual experience. Whether you're streaming videos or presenting a project, this laptop is sure to deliver a clear and immersive display that will draw you in. Overall, the stunning display is yet another reason why this laptop is perfect for those who want a top-of-the-line laptop with the features that are sure to impress. In addition to the impressive display and powerful processor, this laptop also boasts lightning-fast memory. With 16 GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, multitasking is made easy, ensuring that even when you are running several applications at the same time, your laptop won't slow down. The 512 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD storage capacity also ensures that your laptop boots up quickly and that applications load rapidly. Overall, the lightning-fast memory section of this laptop is sure to make a significant impact when it comes to productivity and performance, making this laptop an excellent choice for both personal and professional use. When it comes to getting started with this laptop, you won't have to worry about a thing. The laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home operating system with Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021, so you can start working right out of the box. Moreover, the laptop is designed to be incredibly user-friendly with features such as a fingerprint sensor that allows you to sign in quickly and securely. And with a weight of just 17 kg, this laptop is incredibly portable and great for those who are always on the move. The ready-to-go section of this laptop ensures that you can get started right away with minimal setup time, making it perfect for those who are always on the go and need a reliable and efficient laptop. Priced at an affordable cost of Rupee 46,990, this product is really a bargain. Last but certainly not least, the affordable price of this laptop is one of its most attractive features. Despite being packed with top-of-the-line features and hardware, this laptop comes at an incredibly reasonable price point of under Rupee 47,000. If you're looking for a laptop that offers excellent value for money, then look no further. You will be hard-pressed to find another laptop with such a high-performance processor, stunning display, and lightning-fast memory at this price point. Overall, the affordable price section of this laptop makes it a smart choice for anyone who is looking for a quality laptop at a price that won't break the bank.